Hello guys, the Learjet dog again. We're helping you start up this MD-80, as you can see. Yeah, Mad Dog 80. Okay, well, let's just begin. So first of all, we do the battery on. The bleed air for the APU, because we're going to start up in like a few seconds. Yep, the battery. Oh no. I really suck at turning things on. But yeah, for the thing, it says you need to turn on the start pump and the stop pump. I just turned on. Wait, what? Okay. Having troubles flicking switch. Okay, good. See that EGT? That tells that the APU is turning on. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the fuel tanks. And that's your startup checklist. That can help you if you really don't want to watch this full video. And yeah. Oops. What did I? Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah. You might want to turn that on. I forgot about that. Yay! We got the electricity on. Yeah. It's the bus tie. Once the APU started, you can use the bus tie. You also need the generators. Oh, I'm bad at flicking switches. Yeah, no, of course the flight attendants need the galley. Okay, got that generator on. We're gonna turn on the pilot heat because it's on the checklist. And yeah, we need to turn on the hydraulics, which is pretty hard to get to. Yeah, right there. Got it? Okay, now we're gonna show the yoke again. Okay. Okay, where's that? Oh! Yes, people need air conditioning. Totally. Okay, now we're gonna start the left engine and the right engines. Okay. Hold it until the little thing above the pilot's probes and the thing is the thing beside the fuel heat. The indicator. And okay, it's already on 20. You should have turned on the mixture. Okay, now the engine is starting. Look at that go! It's starting. Yeah, start up Mad Dog 80. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, let's start the right engine now. Repeated process. Sorry, I'm not good at editing. I can't speed forward this. And up he goes. Up they go, up they go. First of all, we're gonna take off to show you the engines are actually working. Okay, good thing the hydraulics are working because the flaps are going down. Full thrust. Oh, wait, I forgot to turn off the APU.
Center line.
Oh no. Okay, let's just continue with this takeoff. Okay. Yeah. Yep, fresh air. Everyone needs fresh air. Yeah, let's get the pilot's head ripped off from this wind.
Center line.
Okay. V1, rotate. V2, positive climb rate, gear up. And up we go.